Electric cars are taking over India, and the AMG ZS EV was one of the first to make electric mobility truly practical. But in 2025, does it still stand out? Or have the Nexon EV long range and Hyundai Kona EV stolen its thunder? Let's find out. When AMG launched the ZS EV, it gave Indian buyers an unbeatable mix of technology, comfort, and value, something few EVs offered then. Now, in 2025, it's more refined than ever with better range, smarter software, and upgraded safety. So, can it still deliver the same excitement and practicality today? The ZS EV has always been one of the best looking electric SUVs on Indian roads. The closed grille, sleek LED DRLs, and aerodynamic styling give it a futuristic yet understated charm. It's slightly longer and wider than the Nexon EV, offering a more premium stance. The 2025 update adds sharper taillamps, redesigned 17-inch alloys, and chrome touches that make it elegant without being flashy. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels both luxurious and high-tech. A 10.1-inch HD touchscreen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, panoramic sunroof, 360-degree camera, and connected car tech, it's all here. AMG's ADAS suite adds adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and forward collision warning, features rare in this segment. With soft-touch materials, leather seats, and roomy rear space, comfort is a clear priority. Under the hood, a 50.3 kilowatt-hours battery delivers up to 461 kilometers of certified range, with around 350 to 370 kilometers in real-world conditions. Performance is instant, smooth, and silent, perfect for city commutes and highway runs. Using a DC fast charger, 0-80% takes about 50 minutes, or roughly 7 to 8 hours on a home AC setup. That's enough flexibility for daily drives and weekend trips without range anxiety. The ZS EV is priced between 22 lakh rupees and 26 lakh rupees on road approx, placing it between the affordable Nexon EV and luxury EVs like the Kia EV6 or Hyundai Ioniq 5. It offers more space, range, and features than the Nexon without stretching your budget into luxury territory, making it one of the best value premium EVs in 2025. Pros: long range, premium cabin, strong build, and feature-loaded. Cons: slightly costlier than Nexon EV, growing charging network, and limited service reach in smaller towns. So, what's your pick for 2025? The refined AMG ZS EV or the next-gen Tata Nexon EV long range? Tell us in the comments which EV gives the best mix of range, features, and price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because next week we're comparing the ZS EV versus Nexon EV versus Kona EV. And it's going to be an electrifying showdown. Prices mentioned are approximate and subject to change based on market conditions and GST updates.